I think mocks is an essential part, and plus the analysis. I think if you don't analyze your mock, it's like you are not getting anything out of it. CLAT and AILET this year was like super easy, but the only thing is how do you keep yourself composed and calm during the paper? Take your mocks as mocks and don't take stress because of your mock score. Okay, in the actual paper, even if you are doing well in the mocks, you can do bad in the actual paper, and if you're doing bad in the mocks, you can do well in the actual paper.
Okay, hi everyone. We have Arav Sachdeva with us. Arav is All India rank 30 in CLAT and All India rank 68 in AILET 2026. So considering he has done great at both the fronts, so we'll just try to gauge from Arav how exactly did he prepare and what does the journey look like. So very welcome Arav, how are you?
I'm great.
You're great. How does it feel now?
It's a sense of relief. Like we have been preparing for 2 years. Like now it's like feel light. We have finally got into the college of my choice.
So college of your choice. So I think you will get a choice for both Bangalore and Delhi,
Yes.
right? So what is the college of your choice?
For now, I'm leaning towards Bangalore. Like if and when I'll get NLU Delhi, I'll make a call. Then for now, I'm leaning towards Bangalore.
For now, you're so I think everyone who is listening to this, I think this is like called spoiled for choices. कि बैंगलोर और दिल्ली में से कहाँ जाऊँ ये कॉल ले रहा हूँ. So that is something. But Arav, it's completely the hard work which you have put in. So it's a very well-deserved success. So Arav, before we move ahead, if you can just briefly introduce yourself so that people can connect and then we can take it forward.
So hi everyone, my name is Arav Sachdeva. This year I've got a All India rank of 30 in CLAT and 68 in AILET. I have done my schooling from Indraprastha International School.
Okay, Arav. So 30 in CLAT, I presume that, and of course I know this is All India rank,
All
right?
India rank,
This is not some category.
Yes, All India.
Perfect. Perfect, great. So ऑल इंडिया रैंक ही होता है और कोई कैटेगरी रैंक होता नहीं, वो जबरदस्ती के जनरेट किया जाता है, राइट? ओके, ग्रेट आरव. सो माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वुड बी, आई प्रिज्यूम एंड जितना मुझे याद है जब तुम ज्वाइन किए थे, यू हैव ऑलवेज बीन अ गुड स्टूडेंट. सो एक अच्छे स्टूडेंट थे. एंड नाउ टेल मी व्हाई एंड व्हेन डिड यू चूज लॉ, कि मुझे लॉ ही करना है एंड नॉट engineering, medical, etc., the other popular choices?
So I made this choice when like I was halfway through my 11th. So I was like when I took humanities, I was very that was because I was very comfortable with the humanities subjects like Pol Science, Economics. They were always my fortes. So when I decided I need to finally make a career choice, I think 2 options like stemmed out. One was economic honors and the second was law. So I leaned towards law because I related to it. That's the reason.
Okay, so Arav, मुझे ये बता, and when did you take a call कि तुमको law करना है? It was
halfway of 11th.
So Arav, considering you have cleared both CLAT and AILET, the most relevant question for you would be कि जो CLAT और AILET के लिए तैयारी की है, क्या दोनों के लिए अलग अलग स्ट्रैटेजी बनाए थे कि AILET के लिए ये करना है, CLAT करने के लिए ये करना है, या फिर सिर्फ करते गए, दोनों खुद ब खुद हो गया? How exactly was it?
Sir, I think there is no watertight division between the 2 papers, especially when we are being asked AR now in CLAT. I think the only difference is how do you approach GK. For CLAT, we mostly do most important topics का जो list आता है, and कुछ सारे major topics होते हैं. Whereas in AILET काफी one-liner questions होते हैं, static questions होते हैं. I think the only difference between the 2 exams is related to GK, and just I think the fact कि AILET में 150 questions है versus CLAT पे 120 है, so you need to be a little bit quicker in AILET.
Okay, which is true. Now, Arav, एक चीज बताओ, CLAT में you have a all India rank of 30. What's your score?
107.75.
107.75 out of 190 is a very high score. Now, Arav, ये बताओ कि जब एग्जाम दे रहे थे एंड क्रिटिकल की जगह एनालिटिकल आ गया एंड लीगल रीजनिंग के वो पैसेज बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस की जगह वो लीगल जीके डाल दिया, क्या था, क्या हुआ दिमाग में? How were those 2 hours? I just need to understand कि 107.5075 लाने वाले का पेपर कैसे जाता है, वो कितना अपने आप को कंपोज रखता है एग्जामिनेशन।
So like I was a bit shocked कि जब मैंने I saw AR instead of CR, but I was never really scared कि I was more comfortable with AR than CR, क्योंकि AR में there is always a sense of certainty. CR में when you are marking an answer, you are not even sure कि वो सही है या नहीं. Whereas in AR, if you get an answer, it's up. In most cases, it will be right. So I wasn't that all scared of AR, and towards legal. The One Nation One Election वाला I was very thorough with the topic. मैंने वो पूरा पढ़ रखा था, and preamble वाला भी I was somewhat aware of it. So I didn't panic or I wasn't scared at all throughout the paper.
Okay, so you are comfortable.
Yes.
और खूब अच्छा पेपर हुआ. And what was the number of attempts? Yeah,
Full attempts. 100.
full attempts. I was talking to Arshnoor as well. उसका भी full attempt था. And vis-a-vis A-Late में क्या था?
150 attempts.
150 attempt. वो कैसा हुआ था पेपर देते वक्त? A-Late में स्कोर क्या है तुम्हारा?
131.25.
That again is a massive score. So वहाँ पे क्या हुआ? How was that?
I was like English में I had a full score in English, and logical also was quite easy. I think the only tough section which was tough for all was GK. But when I was attempting GK, I wasn't even, I guessed a few, and like you always suggested, we should, if we are able to eliminate one, so we should definitely give an attempt. So I decided कि attempts high रखते हैं, क्योंकि I figured out कि easy paper है. Yeah.
तो ये समझ में आ गया था पेपर का मिजाज देख के कि ये क्या किस तरफ ये बढ़ने वाला है। सो इसमें ऑफ कोर्स सोचो तुम 131.25 पे तुम्हारा रैंक 67 है। अगर लोअर अटेम्प्ट्स के साथ एंड एक्यूरेसी पे गए होते तो ये सारे जजमेंट्स तुमको एग्जामिनेशन में लेना पड़ता है, सो एज टू अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाट विल द कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन। ग्रेट। सो आरव, माय नेक्स्ट पॉइंट एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, जैसे मुझे इफ समबडी आस्क्स मी कि व्हाट इज द की टू सक्सेस, आई ऑलवेज से कंसिस्टेंसी। व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन इट?
I think consistency related with like this paper is paper management. Like CLAT and A-Late this year was like super easy. The cutoffs also suggest that. But the only thing is, how do you keep yourself composed and calm during the paper? I think if anyone with a decent level of comfortable with English and I think basic reasoning skills can clear the exams, provided they are calm during the paper.
Okay, got it. Now, Arav, I understood what you're trying to say. Arav, my next question now in furtherance would be कि like everybody struggles with GK. I'm sure तुम्हारे लिए भी एक पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे इशू रहा होगा। ऐसा कोई नहीं है जिसके लिए GK इशू नहीं होता है, वो होना भी चाहिए बिकॉज इतना बड़ा सिलेबस है, वो क्या पूछने वाले नहीं पूछने वाले। एंड CLAT has a habit of experimenting new things every year. GK के कैसे किए? How exactly do you do it?
I think GK, one thing about GK is you can never really complete it. कुछ ना कुछ तो बच ही जाता है GK में. I think you should like thoroughly revise. So, like I used to revise my GK every month, especially when we used to get that on targets. And another factor being, I think you should like expand, like do multiple sources, क्योंकि एक source में some topic might be there and दूसरे source में वो नहीं होगा. So I think you should expand your like you should do multiple sources जिसमें you cover a broad range of topics.
Okay, you're suggesting, but उसके लिए बहुत पढ़ना पड़ता है, तो right then you have to be very focused, right? Now, Arav, considering we remember last year you took a gap year,
Yes.
you got a decent rank, but you possibly wanted to go to Bangalore or NLU Delhi. That's what we were very clear with your agenda. हम लोग भी थोड़ा घबराए थे कि अब तुमको ईयर ड्रॉप सजेस्ट करें कि ना करें, क्या करना है, what if things don't go the way we are planning for next year. So how difficult, because you have taken a gap year, how difficult was it to sustain these 6-7 months? और अपने आप को motivated कैसे रखते?
Sir, I think at like this year was quite easy, if I'll say, to be honest, क्योंकि my scores were quite consistent. Like last year,
लगातार
my
correct.
scores were like
Correct.
never really felt कि I've done bad in the mock.
Correct.
But क्योंकि somehow last year को जो experience था, it's I think एक dropper के लिए it's invaluable. When what you experience on the exam day, how do you keep yourself calm during the 2 hours? So I think वो invaluable होता है and you can replicate it in the next year as well and throughout the mocks as well. So I never really felt कि additional pressure है because of a drop.
So ऐसा कोई ड्रॉप तुमको बहुत ज्यादा बॉदर नहीं किया। Great, Arav. So now, Arav, my next question would be, what do you think is the most important aspect of the journey? As in, like, it might be doing GK, it might be mock analysis, it might be doing loads of newspaper reading, anything you think helps you the most in the course of preparation.
But I think, of course, mocks is a very essential part of the preparation. Like across 2 years, I've written like close to 400 mocks. So I think mocks is an essential part, and plus the analysis. I think if you don't analyze your mock, it's like you are not getting anything out of it. So I think mock and mock analysis are an important part of the preparation.
हो गया आराम. So तुम बहुत मेहनत की हो, not because कि तुम ऑल इंडिया रैंक 30 हो गए हो तो तुमको हम स्टार बनाने की कोशिश करें. We all knew तुम्हारा स्कोर्स भी वैसे ही आता था सेंटर पे. Now Arav, my next question would be, ठीक है, अगर तुमको एक चीज बदलना हो, अपने की होता ना ये गलती हो गई, ये गलती मतलब उन 2 आवर्स में भी हो सकता है और तुम्हारे कोर्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन में भी हो सकता है. सो एनी वन थिंग यू वुड वांट कि जिस पे रिपेंट कर रहे हो कि अरे नहीं तो मैं 30 की जगह 1 ही आ जाता, राइट? कुछ ऐसी गलती which you still is bothering you?
So not really, like when you look back, I got 9 questions incorrect. So 9th, I at least feel कि 5 या 6 और correct हो सकते थे. In that case, I would have been all India rank 1. So yeah, 5-6 questions, like they were silly mistakes to be honest.
पर दुखी तो नहीं हो कि 1 नहीं हुआ?
Not at all.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. मैं अश्नूर से भी पूछा था, ये 1 नहीं आने से बोला सर मैं तो जोधपुर सोच के आया था, मुझे तो बैंगलोर मिल गया, यही मतलब कि मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा. ओके Arav, any advice you have for 2027 students?
Sir, I think even I've faced this especially during my 12th you face low mock scores. I've seen people taking mock scores to their heart.
Yeah.
So I think one advice will be to take your mocks as mocks and don't take stress because of your mock scores. In the actual paper, even if you are doing well in the mocks, you can do bad in the actual paper, and if you're doing bad in the mocks, you can do well in the actual paper. So I think one piece of advice.
और इसके perfect example तो तुम हो.
Yes.
You were doing well last year also.
Yes.
In the mocks. जब
Yes,
वो
sir.
last year का क्लैट हुआ था and when you wrote वो actual paper disaster हो गया.
Yes.
Thankfully होता ना इस बार मॉक का भी स्कोर, मॉक में तो you have always done well, but पिछले बार पेपर में वो 2 घंटे में गड़बड़ हो गया and इस बार it went the way we planned it to be. Great. So mock scores को बहुत दिल से नहीं लेना है. This is what your sincere advice to everybody. और अगर लो फील हो तो कैसे उसको मोटिवेटेड रखना है?
Like pursue your hobbies. Like I used to watch videos on YouTube or like watch movies, go for a walk.
So all these things happen.
Yes.
चलो ग्रेट आरव, होता ना मतलब 2 डिजिट रैंक सुनने में बड़ा अच्छा भी लगता है एंड आया और बट सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट होता है क्वालिफाई करना. सो यू क्वालिफाइड बोथ द प्लेसेस एंड आई एम श्योर आरव कि तुम्हारा जर्नी बड़ा अच्छा था हम लोग के साथ एंड आगे भी आई एम श्योर यू विल कंटिन्यू दिस. तो अब क्या करोगे नेक्स्ट 6 months?
Like I'm planning कि कोई internships कर लूँ.
कुछ कर लो, मतलब
Yes, sir.
you have absolutely nothing.
Yes,
तुम्हारा तो बोर्ड एग्जाम्स भी नहीं है.
Yes, sir.
तो मतलब अभी से लेकर के मई तक it's like 5-6 months. तुम लोग तरह के जो स्टूडेंट हैं who are actually hard working, I don't know इतना खतरनाक साइलेंस झेल भी पाएंगे कि नहीं. So I think you should do some productive things in another 5-6 months, right? नहीं, great आरव, होता ना, it was good connecting with you again, right? I knew this is gonna happen, पर जब हो जाता है तभी हो जाता है, मतलब होता है what you think and what you plan not always materializes, right? So great आरव, होता ना, we'll meet again. Thanks for coming.
Thank you, sir.